In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to take a screenshot on your Samsung Galaxy A17 and also how you can change your screenshot settings on the Galaxy A17. So now let's start. So to do that, we move to notification bar. Let's draw that to the bottom. Good. So we draw that down here and you should see screenshot here. Good. So you can see take screenshot here. If you don't see that, all you're going to do is tap on the edit button, the arrow on your screen there, tap on edit, and you can see available buttons here. So you just glance through. When you see screenshots, you just tap on that to add it. You see range scribe has been added, right? You tap on done on top, and then after that you tap on done again and it should appear. Good. And now let's say we've seen our screenshot here. Now let's long press screenshot and then move to the settings. Good. So on the settings button, we can change the format on our screenshot images. So when you screenshot an image, it's going to be saved in a JPEG or a PNG. So we can switch. Good. And we can also hide the status and notification bar, which is when we take a screenshot, the battery percentage, and then the navigation at the bottom is not going to appear. And other settings as well, you can glance through and check them. And where you want to save your screenshots them to, you can just tap on that and choose a location on your phone in which you want to save your screenshot. And that's it. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to the channel. Peace.